Happy holidays to Mom Generations. We are on day 7, and today is all about Dad. I know these men are probably waiting anxiously
for their turn.
Yeah, for their turn. I'm going to start off with some of my favorite products for the holidays. Actually, these are things that my husband actually has. I'm going to start off with the Oregon Scientific. This is the strapless heart rate monitor. You wear it just like a watch, and when you're working out, you actually just put your 2 fingers right on plates that are provided, and it will read out your heart rate. It also has a calorie counter on it as well, and it also functions, which is great, as a watch, and also has a stopwatch on it too. So this is a great thing for your husband if they're into sports. You know, perfect. Nice and easy.
Multifunctional.
You know, again, no strap around your chest, which is a big plus for some people.
Okay.
And we will be talking about my turn as well. This is the Maxell's noise cancellation headphones. Now in my house, where it's a noisy house, very noisy environment, these are great for, you know, pop on, blocks out outside noise, perfect for travel too on airplanes. They're lightweight, they're collapsible. Again, these are great noise cancellation headphones. Perfect for dads.
Very quality Maxell.
My husband loves his when he has the time at home to pop them on and relax. And then one of my other favorite things, this is mostly for my dad. I mean, you guys can,
vouch for that.
Yeah, exactly. From Innovation Lab, this is an internet password organizer. There are passwords for everything online nowadays, and it's easy for some people to have an organizer to put them in.
Yeah.
My dad.
Yes.
So I mean, this is just a great thing for him for the holidays. Organize your passwords. There's also in the back some information regarding your home computer that you can have on hand as well if you're ever having any problems.
Everything in one spot.
Yeah, it's great.
Okay, they call this the can of all trades, and it's true. It's called Jigaloo, and it's a water repellent and lubricant that's going to be it's going to be in every dad's workspace or garage, anywhere that they need lubricant.
Any place where a dad shows up.
Yeah, where a dad shows up. It doesn't stink. It doesn't stain anything. It's wonderful. There's no smell. It's not harmful. It stops squeaks.
It's incredible.
Yeah, it's amazing. Unsticks just about everything and repels water. So the Jigaloo.
Big plus. I like the name.
Can I go to the slippers? This is my favorite for Dad. This is a low mock, 100% luxurious shearling inner Lands' End slippers.
Yeah.
It has a beautiful sheepskin, suede, and leather outer. It's comfortable, it's amazingly comfortable, and it's flexible and durable for both inside and outside. And I'm getting these for Dad for Christmas. I hope he's not filming this video right now.
Oops.
These are great. So
they're wonderful. Lands' End.
So nice.
Yeah. And then finally we have the Livestrong products. We have this Livestrong baseball cap and the Livestrong tote. These are great for dads. You can wear this just about anywhere. If you're a runner, if you're just going to a baseball game. 100% of the profits go to the Lance Armstrong Foundation, so that's just a great cause.
You're going to pop it on, Jane.
I'm gonna put it on. So we've got our Livestrong
Plus
hat.
it's totally cool.
It's really cool.
It is cool.
And Livestrong tote bag, and we're styling.
Definitely.
So to win this merchandise,
how do you win this stuff? As we did last week, leave a comment on the blog. Tell us what you like the best. Leave a comment, and then as always, head over to Jane's blog to find out how you can get some bonus entries to win this great stuff.
Right.
So for the man in your life, enter, get him these good goodies.
Absolutely, more than $250 worth of merchandise.
And for Mom Generations, happy holidays.